Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. People have been saying I've been getting too serious about all the algorithm and stuff at the moment, and let's get back to some real selling. Well, that's what I'm going to do. This is the start of a series of videos, and that's why I'm holding this big box. I am going to sell a collection, and I'm going to do it across 2 different accounts, and this is the biggest collection that I've ever had of keyrings, because there is not only this box of about, I would say, 300 of them. There is another box exactly the same as well. And there are absolutely hundreds of them. Much like you have collected over your lifetime. And now it's time to sell them on. And we're going to use eBay. I'm going to split them into approximately 250 keyrings in one lot and 250 in another. I am then going to channel them down, look at individual keyring selling strategies or group lots of selling strategies. I'm going to document it, I'm going to put it in a series of videos, and I'm going to show you all the effort, what it takes, how well it does, so you maybe learn a few things from my mistakes if you've got your collection to sell. So hit the subscribe button and let's go on this small, non-scientific, tongue-in-cheek, have a laugh along the way, selling experiment. So now I'm going to actually show you what we're dealing with, and another video will pop up here of me with my trusty mobile phone taking a video of all the keyrings that we're going to be dealing with, and then I'm going to split them into 2 totally random boxes and set the stall of what we're going to do, and then that'll be it for this first video, because I'm not going to take up much of your time, because you'll probably want to subscribe and then come back for the second one when you start seeing me go through the frustration of cataloguing them, identifying them, putting them into groups, which is what you would have to do with your own collection. So if you've had a look at them, and if you do like any of these keyrings, they will be available for sale, and you too could be part indirectly of this wonderful, as I said, non-scientific selling experiment. So what I am going to do is play that video in full screen in case anybody wants to have a look at the keyrings, and also I'm going to split them up, start documenting it, and that'll all go into the preparation phase for the second video in this series. So if you have any questions, or if you want to see anything in particular and you've watched the first start pilot episode of this mini series, leave your comments below. Thank you very much.